What's going on, guys? It's the middle of January. We gotta do some working today because, you know, we always out here hustling, trying to make money for them race car parts, get those races, and keep you guys entertained on some cool shit, you know. So we're pulling into the gas station here. We're gonna fuel up, get old Whitey Ford some fuel, get the Kubota fueled up, and then we're gonna go up and do a little snow pushing. So we'll show you what happens here in a little bit. Man, I remember I was probably 20, maybe 21. We had about another foot on top of what we have right here outside right now. We got about a foot, so we had about 2 foot. And me and my buddy Josh, we were sitting at Sherry's restaurant there, and I live in Twin Falls, Idaho. We have a canyon, straight, sheer 490-foot canyon. Evel Knievel tried to jump our canyon, you know, the whole works. I'll take you guys there and show you this one bit. But anyway, we're sitting in Sherry's, and it's probably about 10:30, and it starts snowing really hard. And we end up staying till about 1:32 because Sherry's is 24 hours. All right, let's go play the snow skate. You know, we're bored drinking coffee, bored shooting shit with friends. So we head down to what is called Centennial Grade. Now it's a grade cut right into the side of the canyon edge that goes down about a mile, horseshoe 90s, and then goes down about another mile, horseshoe 90s, and then about another half mile to it gets to the river down there. And there's a couple plateaus and stuff, areas there. And let's go take snow skate there. You know, there's plenty of snow skate on, and we'll mess around and have a good time just right on top. So we drive around. I'm in my little Ford Ranger 2-wheel drive, you know, get her all going. And friggin', we get to the edge of the canyon where before it goes down to the grade, and we're like, damn, man, there's a lot of snow. I mean, these snowflakes are like that big around. They're freaking huge. And I was like, dude, why don't we go back and grab the snowboards, put the tent on, we'll frickin' snowboard down in, we'll hike out in the morning, you know, after they plow the road and everything, because it's once lifetime opportunity. They always plow that road first thing in the morning because there's people work down there at the golf course and the sewer plants down there. And so we go home, we get everything packed up, grab snowboards, start going down. It's just blissful powder snow. I mean, you couldn't quite carve too hard because you'd cut down in because we only had about a foot in some areas because of the way the canyon edge was. But you could get a good carve going on. And it was just one of the most surreal things that I've ever got to do in my life. And we got an idiot right in front of us. What the hell? Anyway, but it was one of the most surreal things that I could ever do. And we get down there, and we get off to the bluff, and it's probably about 150 foot down to the water, or you could have went down to the water, so we decided to camp up there. And we're camping and watching all these big snowflakes going, and then right across the way, there's a herd of deer just hanging out. And this is like 2 o'clock in the morning. It's full moon, so it's bright through the valley. You can totally see it. The clouds were lit up, and it was glowing. And I wish we had cameras back then because it would have been one of the most epic shots I've ever gotten as far as being out in the winter, being out in the snow, and having a good time. And it was just a surreal time. It was one of those things that you had to have been there, so I thought I'd share that story with you guys. Just one of those little backstories when I was a kid and had some fun in this town because I was born and raised here in Idaho. And we're going to start traveling and racing, trying to get known, so it's one way to do it. But anyway, yeah, fun little story, guys. Alright guys, we made it. Check it out. Alright guys, here we go. We'll start pounding down the other side of the driveway. Got the one side done. Now go down the left side. Just gotta know what you do. One more, there you go, man. There you go, man. Yeehaw! Hang on down. guys, we got another one done. Drive it all cleared out, big ass pile of snow. They can get in and out. Dang, it was cold out there, guys, but we got her done. At what is it, 16 degrees. Holy cow. At 422, that's not too bad. But we got her done. Driveway's plowed. We'll have a few fun shots here for you pretty soon. Oh. Now I guess if we can get out of here without getting stuck, will be half the fun, huh? Right? Let's see what we got going on here. Backaroos in. Oh, who's that? That's my buddy Tom Tillotson. Let's give him a call. Or answer. Yeah. What's going on? What? A dyno? You got a dyno? Really? When did you get this? Just the other day? Well, hell yeah, I'll load up Falkor. He just happens to be in a trailer anyway. We'll get loaded up and come your way. Alright, cool, man. Yeah. Damn, dude, you got a dyno. Hell. Right on, buddy. I'll talk to you soon. Well, that was my buddy Tom Tillotson at 208 Performance there in Twin Falls. And he just bought him a dyno. They're wanting to see what it's going to be like. So we're going to go load up old Falkor, take him down to the shop there, and see what kind of numbers we could pull. Right on, guys, a dyno.
And I want more for the girls.
Brian Slow, everybody.
No, that guy right there, that guy. He's there.
You have any CO2?
I do.
You should let me borrow a CO2.
A little snort? I think we could do that because I don't need it to shift for a dyno.
Yeah, I just need
everything's controlled. See, that's the problem. He put everything on CO2. My shifter's the only thing on CO2.
I had to.
I know. It's better though. You'll get better in the end.
I had to keep it super simple.
Oh boy, that's a tight fit.
That way a little? But
You got 6 inches on this side.
You're clear all the way back.
Ready? Get ready for it. The unveiling, and there it is, the chassis dyno. Check that out, boys and girls. Woohoo! We got the screen up there. We're gonna find out how much horsepower Falkor is gonna make finally. Check that shit out, boys. Tell you what. What do you think old Skylark's gonna make?
With no CO2, I bet we see somewhere in the low mid-6s. With the CO2, I bet we see a 7.
7? I'm betting 550 to 650 is what Falkor is. That's no nitrous. That's just blower and motor.
With the boost, we're going choo-choo.
Oh yeah, oh for sure. Now we can tune. Now we got fucking tuning skills. We got some tuning skills. But beforehand, we gotta make things right here. Fucking A, it's badass, man.
Fucking dyno in there. What is this?
My homemade moonshine.
Victory shots?
This one is apple and blackberries. This one's watermelon and banana.
Okay, come on, you handicraft.
up there.
Now, hold the lever down. Hold the lever all the way in like you're letting it down. Hit the power button and let off the lever. Down. Now let off the lever. There's a dyno up in this damn behind you. That's pretty cool. Probably gonna keep saying that for a while.
That's okay.
There's a dyno in my shop.
Just in case you didn't know, because it's not here.
Ryan says 611.
Ryan says 611.
Landon made 216. Brandon on there says that. Okay.
611.
611. What do you say? Gosh, Dan, you're gonna be fucking close, dude. So I'm gonna take you.
I'm gonna go 609. Okay.
Boxes on the power.
I'm gonna go 600 even.
That's what I was thinking.
Comments, boys. Okay, what motor is this?
Basically 355. 355 cubic inch.
355 cubic inch.
14 pounds of boost.
Low
14
roller
pounds
on
of
there.
boost. It's got a dark iron eagle head on it.
On 110?
110.
110.
Rowdy cam.
Big old comfort cam.
Hey, you never guessed monkey
Ah.
boost. What's your guess for monkey boost?
Be a little loud for a
Hey, this is a
second.
$5 buy-in.
Be loud for a second.
Uh-oh, $5 buy-in for Mookie Boost.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's what you're
sticking
with? Yeah, we're sticking with those. And we calibrated the dyno on the last car. So those numbers have, yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, we haven't checked the stuff yet.
I say 390.
390 for boost.
Okay, we'll go ahead, fire it up. Put it in drive, don't hit the drive.
What was it?
592.
Hell yeah, 592.
651, 592 at the rear wheels.
Woo!
592.
Yeah!
587. What'd you get?
No, well,
You can't go over. It's price is right.
583.
No, it's Tom. No, he's over. Tom went 600. That's me. That's me, fuckers. 583. That's me, fuckers. What was it? 592.
I've heard a lot of people.
You can't go over. It's price is right. So maybe I didn't go over. Where are you at? 587. You're at 587?
Go, Landon!
I won. 587.
Go, Landon. Go, Landon.
Landon won. He's 587.
587. Oh, Landon
Well, guys, we heard a lot of feelings with only 500 horsepower, but we're making over 600 foot-pounds of torque, so that gets you out of the goddamn hole in a hurry.
Click on it. Right there, keep holding it. 651 foot-pounds of torque.
At 40 so.
What was my torque?
I never. What was my peak RPM?
5,300 RPM.
Because it like shot up to 4,000 and it was like trying to climb.
Yeah, it does that. It's because it's fighting inertia.
Is that what it's doing? Is that why I started slipping? I felt it slip and then I felt it grip.
Well, it's fun too.
Yeah, I felt it. It was like,
See how you're making 2 holes now instead of 1? He made 592. Making 2 holes.
Bunch of crap talkers are funny. I love it.
600 foot-pounds of torque though. That's a mean little motor.